The greatest empire on earth believed victory was certain. But a handful of ordinary people were about to prove them wrong. Tension spread from village to village as more colonists prepared to resist imperial rule. Local militias began training in fields, determined to defend their homes despite limited weapons. Many farmers left their crops behind, believing freedom was worth every sacrifice. The first battles proved that the conflict would not end quickly. The empire possessed disciplined soldiers, powerful weapons, and unmatched resources. Yet determination often outweighed superior equipment. Every victory inspired more volunteers to join the cause. Leaders understood they needed more than courage, they needed unity. Months of debate slowly transformed scattered resistance into a common purpose. The dream of independence no longer seemed impossible. Support for independence continued to grow despite enormous risks. The conflict had become more than a dispute over taxes. It was now a struggle over the future itself. Across the ocean, many watched closely as these events continued to unfold. Hope spread faster than fear, inspiring thousands to believe that change was finally possible. Soon, a remarkable document would be prepared, one that would forever redefine the future. What happened next would inspire generations and forever.
Change the course of history.
In Part 3, you'll witness the declaration that changed history, the birth of a new nation, and the extraordinary events that followed. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe now and join us for Part 3. You won't want to miss what happens next.